Import play sound is a module that is used to deal with MP3 files, so import this module. It is a default module. There is no need to install the module. Here we used to play a MP3 file, but you need to store the both Python file and MP3 file in same location. This is the main thing, otherwise file cannot play. It prepares the new object for use, often accepting arguments that the constructor uses to set required member variables. Click the like button, subscribe, share for more interesting scripts in Python.